Hello everyone, my name is Leo from DCJ SMART. Today I step into workshop and give you a full introduction about how does a factory make agriculture drone. My purpose is to help all the people who want to uplevel their agriculture work, or help the people who want to establish a new business and offer the service to local farmers, or help the people to build up a workshop to sell agriculture drones and maintain them. After all, we need to protect farmers from toxic pesticides in a very efficient way. If you start from zero, no problem. Follow me. Now I start to give you a summary about this machine. In front of you is a typical 4-axis 10-liter agriculture drone, also a key product from our factory. We can simply separate it to 5 systems. The first is the drone frame. The second is the controller system. The third is the dynamical system. The fourth is the power system. And the fifth is the spray system. Now I introduce components about the drone frame. Obviously, you can see 4 arms from the drone body, and there is a 130-degree fold components between 2 pipes. At the end of the arm is the motor base. In the middle, the silver color thing is waterproof blister shell, and we can switch it to different color. At the bottom, we can see the black aluminum support frame, and on this bar is fixed for water tank. Let's uncover the shell, see what's inside. This black ball is made of carbon fiber, the same material as the arm pipe. Carbon fiber is quite strong. It is neck and neck with steel, but very light. Here you can see the arm fixed seat and some electronic things and the cable. This black thing is waterproof rubber ring. The whole drone is designed to keep water away from the electronic things. So at the time it is spring or rainy weather, drone will be safe. Now let's see the flight controller system. If we take drone as a human, the flight controller is the brain. So we must find a smart brain for you. Everyone will like it. Normally we prefer K++ and the K3A Pro is another choice. If we take this one as comes from Cambridge University, and this one must from Oxford University, they are all good. And the flight controller link up to PMU to get power supply, and link up to GPS to know the location of the world. Link up AMU to control the gesture, link up obstacle avoidance radar to go a clear path, link up FPV camera to see the plant you spray to, link up terrain following radar to climb slope, link up RTK to get a very accurate location, link up signal receiver and the antenna to work together with remote control, and the link up ESC to control the motor. Very clever. Now we focus on power system. We have 2 kinds of battery. Normal battery and intelligent battery, very heavy. And we have 2 kinds of charger for these batteries. When it links up to PMU and the power distribution board, the whole drone can start to work. When you go outside and working in the rice field, don't forget to bring power generator and the voltage stabilizer. And the dynamical system is simple: brushless motor, ESC, propeller, and some cable. The cable go inside the arm and connect the ESC and the motor. The last system we can see is spray system. The big part is water tank. Under the tank is the water pump and the liquid flow meter, link up pipe, and joint parts, and aluminum pipe, and nozzle. That's all for 5 parts of the drone system. Next, in front of you are 4 suites of motor with ESC, propeller, carbon fiber arm, pipe, and some screws. We make efforts on agriculture drone modularization, easy to assemble and easy to fix. Also, we deliver drone components all over the world. Now let me show you how to assemble them. We only use these tools, or motor screwdriver, tweezers, and screw glue. If you are a freshman at the installation, I suggest to use this one. Good feeling with the force. Among these 4 motors, 2 are CCW. CCW means counterclockwise. 2 are CW. CW means clockwise. And the different motor use different propeller. Please check the difference. Just think about this, the air need to go down, see the angle of propeller and the direction of the motor, CW or CW, CCW. Propeller need to be a little looser for the reason to make the drone foldable and at the same time it can walk properly. Okay, let's fix motor and propeller together. We prepare 4 screws for each propeller. At the same time you screw down, don't forget to put a little glue on it. Let me show you an easy way to find out, tighten and loosen the screws. Just use your right hand. Thumb is the direction to go inside or go outside, and the other 4 fingers are the direction to turn the screwdriver to go inside or go outside, go inside and go outside. Please remember. Then put the cable into the arm and this side, longer arm pipe, and keep this hole underneath. Remember, make sure this thing to be here and in the right direction. It's a part of fold components. Then cable cross this pipe and you can use tweezers to help you to get the cable out of the hole. Now we put the water pipe into this hole. And also pay attention to this part. And now we put them across this part of arm pipe, and don't forget the black rubber ring. Now we tighten screws on motor, but not very tight, just make it not go out. The final job is to fix the nozzle and make sure the switch faces to the arm. Let's assemble the second one. Check the motor and the propeller again, CCW or CW. My purpose is to help all the people who want to up-level their agricultural work, or help the people who want to establish a new business and offer the service to local farmers, or help the people to build up a workshop to sell the agricultural drone and maintain them. After all, we need to protect farmers from toxic pesticides in a very efficient way. If you start from zero, no problem, follow me. After we finish this work, put them together and wait for further assembly. Here you can see 10-liter water tank, pump, flow meter, joint parts, pipe and the frame. Now let me show you how to assemble them. But first, you can see the flight controller and the PMU and the antenna module. See the arrow on the power distribution board. It aims to the front of the drone. And the flight controller also point that direction. It's very important. I will explain all these things in other video. On the back of the drone frame, you can see 4-stick wear for batteries. Turn over this board. Now we start to loosen these 4 fixed bases. Now is the water tank assembly. We loosen these 4 fixed bases. My purpose is to help all the people who want to up-level their agricultural work, or help the people who want to establish a new business and offer the service to local farmers, or help the people to build up a workshop to sell the agricultural drone and maintain them. After all, we need to protect farmers from toxic pesticides in a very efficient way. If you start from zero, no problem, follow me. Okay, when we assemble the water tank to the frame, take care. Yeah, this is the front. And on the back is the 4-stick wear for batteries. And you can see the water tank. Here is the space for the battery. So we put these parts in front and make them together. Now we need to use the bubble level to make the things a balance. And then foam screws. Now is the water pump and the flow meter. Now we turn it over, waiting for further assembly. Next video I will show you different modular link-up flight controller. Please subscribe DCJ Smart channel to get further information.